The atmosphere and the networking opportunities at the EGBI Summit has been great.
Not only do you hit all the essentials for building and growing your business, there's a lot of synergy with the other nonprofit organizations.
I think this is an amazing event which should happen very frequently, not just today.
People from the public are meeting each other for the first time. They're networking with new organizations that they didn't know that existed here in Austin. And what a better way to get resources together all in one place.
If we can do this very often, it's going to help people gaining knowledge that is essential for their business, for their careers, for their lives.
El evento me pareció fantástico porque tiene toda clase de información. Fui a las clases de tecnología, cómo usar Excel.
Es una guía que les va a dirigir a tener esas herramientas para comenzar un negocio.